Hello children, welcome to Science classes. And today, as you see here, I have drawn a diagram of the ear, inner view of the ear. So my topic today is the human ear. Okay children, you must have seen lots of animals with their ear. You must have seen elephants which have big fan-like ear. You must have seen cows and elephants which have ear which can work like their hand to remove the flies from their body. आप देखते होंगे ना, कभी हमारी जो काव होती है वो अपने कान को हिलाती है अगर उनके ऊपर कोई इंसेक्ट आकर बैठ जाता है. So we have seen lots of animals' ear. We have seen the ear of rabbit, dogs, cats, and every day we see human ear. So the topic here is the human ear. Okay children, now if you see this diagram, we see that the human ear is divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. Outer ear is the most biggest part of the human ear. The outer ear, children, is also known as auricle. This ear pinna. कभी आप बदमाशी करते हैं तो आपकी टीचर आपका कान खींचती है ना, that is pinna. It doesn't have any bone in it because it is made up of cartilage. And it is seen from outside. और कहाँ present होता है? It is present on the opposite side of the head. So the first part of outer ear is the ear pinna. This is the first part. The second part of outer ear is this auditory canal. And the third part of the outer ear is the outer membrane of the eardrum, that is known as tympanic membrane. So children, I have told you in the outer ear we have three parts. The first one is the ear pinna. The second one is the auditory canal. It is also known as ear canal. And the third one is this outer part of the eardrum known as tympanic membrane. Next, we will discuss about the middle ear, this portion, the middle part. Now, the middle ear has three bones. I have labeled it here: hammer or malleus, anvil or incus, and stripus, or it is known as the stapes. Now, these three bones are present in this particular area. Hammer नाम से ही है, हथौड़े के shape का. Anvil or the incus is of the shape of anvil. And this, children, the stapes here, this part, it is the stapes, which is the smallest bone of the human body. The biggest bone, as everybody knows, is the femur, and this stape is the smallest bone of the human body. And the most important part of the middle ear is this part. It is known as the eardrum. And one more part is also there, this part, that is known as eustachian tube. So that is the part of the middle ear which contains three bones here, 1, 2 and 3. This is the eardrum and the eustachian tube. The last part is the inner ear. In the inner ear, we see this semicircular part that is known as the cochlea. It is known as cochlea. And in the higher classes, you will see that labyrinth, vestibule, and semicircular canal and cochlea, these are the part of inner ear. Now children, what happens? This outer ear, अब सबको पता है कान में एक इस तरह से एक होल होता है. So the outer ear directs the sound wave to the inner ear. हमारे कान की जो sound waves, कान से होते हुए sound waves आपके ईयर पिन्ना से होते हुए यूस्टेरिशियन ऑडिटरी कैनाल से होते हुए हमारे ईयर ड्रम को टच करती है और फिर साउंड वेव्स हमारे इनर ईयर तक आती हैं. नाउ इन द मिडल ईयर आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट ईयर ड्रम इज प्रेजेंट. ईयर ड्रम इज अ फैन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विच वाइब्रेट्स. व्हेन द साउंड वेव टचेस द ईयर ड्रम स्टार्ट्स टू वाइब्रेट. वो इस तरह से हिलने लगता है. एंड ड्यू टू दैट वाइब्रेशन the sound waves from the middle ear, it reaches to the inner ear. Now in the inner ear, we hear by the help of the inner ear, children. हमारा जो inner ear है वो आपको सुनने में help करता है. But it has one more very important function. What is that? That the inner ear, this cochlear region, इसमें एक wax like structure भरा होता है. Semi solid wax like structure is filled in the cochlear region in the inner ear. So this part helps to maintain the balance of our body. आपके body, आपके शरीर के balance को maintain करता है. अगर if you see, कभी आप गोल 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 चक्कर घूमते हैं तो थोड़ी देर तक आपको चक्कर आता रहता है. If you go round and round and round, तो आपको फिर चक्कर आना शुरू हो जाता है. Why? Because ये जो cochlear region है, this circular part, उसके अंदर जो liquid है वो vibrate करने लगता है. And when it vibrates, you don't feel good. आपको तब चक्कर आने लगता है. So that is the function of the inner ear. So it helps us to hear and it also maintains the balance of our body. So that was all about the internal view of ear, outer ear, middle ear and inner ear, and how from the outer ear the sound waves passes to the middle ear, that is the eardrum. The eardrum starts to vibrate, and this vibration when moves to the internal ear, it helps to hear. And one more function I've just told you, it helps to maintain the balance of our body. So children, hope you like the diagram, and if you like my videos, you can like it and you can subscribe my channel also. Okay children, thank you for today.